Almost half of my viewers clicked away in the first 10 seconds. I asked, why? Today, I'll show you what I learned and how it helps you keep clients happy and work hours shorter. I mixed step-by-step tech builds with big business tips on one channel. Lawyers and accountants could not tell which videos were for them. YouTube's robot was confused, so it showed my uploads to the wrong people. And a legal partner message, cool intake bot demo, but why is my feed full of tax hacks? You scroll through many playlists to find one clip that fits your need. The feed feels like a grab bag. Does this channel truly speak to my firm? And making titles and thumbnails felt like guessing each week. Switching between deep tech talk and big picture talk slowed me down. I spent more time switching hats than helping you automate work. So I ran a quick channel audit. And I hid or removed videos that no longer helped the main viewers on channel 1 and marked the best ones to move to a new home. So channel 1, which is my AI Steven Robertson, it's like the workshop floor. Here, we dive into code and tools. We build workflows together, step by step. So for example, an upcoming video might be a YouTube outline bot in NAN and demo build sessions where we fix node errors live. My new channel, channel 2, Precision AI Systems. It's like being in the boardroom. We'll talk about dollars saved, hours won, and happier clients. No code needed. So, for example, upcoming might be a Seattle law firm voice AI case study. And quick 5-minute whiteboard talks on return on investment. Now, both tracks serve lawyers and accountants, but at different moments of their decision cycle. That split lets you learn the exact NAN steps that automate billing downstairs, or see how voice AI cuts intake time by 35% upstairs without touching code. YouTube works like a smart DJ. When it hears one clear topic per channel, it plays each song for the right crowd every time. Clear topic in equals clear eyes on your video. So, will uploads slow down? No. Each channel keeps a steady pace. Workshop videos on Mondays, for example, and Boardroom wins on Wednesdays. What happens to your favorite old videos? Well, the most helpful ones move to channel 2, so you can still watch and learn. And which channel should I watch first? If you love how things work, start in the workshop. If you need fast numbers for partners, start in the boardroom. So channel 1, which is the workshop, is automating YouTube outline creation with NAN, demo build sessions fixing real live errors, or channel 2, which is like the boardroom, with videos like Seattle law firm voice AI or 5-minute ROI whiteboard talks. So comment workflow below and I'll DM you the discovery link that helped the firms cut admin work by 55%. Need deep builds? Hit AI Steven Robertson and ring the bell. Want board-ready AI strategy? Jump to Precision AI Systems, where I'll meet you upstairs.